Hi Stage 2, it's time for another tutorial video. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a website using Google Sites for your group information report project. So what you're going to do is you might have to go through your emails to get to your Google Drive. So log into your student account either on your computer or your iPad. Go to your inbox, your email account, and then you're going to try to find in the top right hand corner these 9 squares or 9 dots. These are your Google Apps. Okay, so I want you to click on that for me. And in your Google Apps, I want you to scroll until you find Google Sites. So click on Sites. And then on the left hand side, you're going to click to create your site. And let's click in New Sites. Alright, so this is the start of your information report and the start of your website. Before you go all crazy typing things, adding all your ideas, remember that it's about teamwork. So, first thing you should actually do is share your website with others. That means one person should create this website and then share with others. So I'm going to share with Mr. Kerrigan. I will share with Mrs. Hamilton and Mrs. McCracken. They could be my group, for example. And then you're going to click send, okay? Once you click send, a link is going to be sent to your group members' inboxes in their email account. They can click on it and access the website with you. And what's cool about it is Google Sites is that you can all work on the website at exactly the same time. So I'm going to click cancel because this is just an example to show all of you. But you need to click the blue button and send, okay? So click cancel, done. First thing you should do is, with your group, decide what the title of your website is going to be. So I might be calling it Cool Koalas or something. I know it's not a very good title. You will do a much better job than me, I'm sure, because you have a group who will be much more creative than me. So your page title might be Cool Koalas or something like that. On the first page of your website, I think this would be a good place to add your general statement, okay, the first paragraph of your group information report. To do that, you can see these things on the right hand side of your website. There's text boxes, images, you can embed links and videos, and you can even upload things from your computer. So the first thing I might do, because it's a website and I want to communicate information in a powerful way, I might want to put an image first. So all you need to do is click on images once, and I might click search and type in koala. I'm not very good at spelling today. Click search, and here are some images of koalas that I can use. I think a nice image that will attract my audience would be one with a baby koala. So you click this one. You just click on it and click select. Okay, so on my website, I don't really want it to be on the side there. So I'm actually going to drag it until it's towards the middle. That looks pretty good to me. So I think I'm ready now to add some text. So I'm going to click on the text box here just once, and straight away it pops up there. If I want to add multiple text boxes, I just keep clicking. I don't need that many, so I'm just going to go to the rubbish bin and click delete section, and I might type here general statement. Koalas, and then you're going to type in all your stuff that you've worked hard to think of with your group, your general statement. And then you're going to write a good paragraph, and you're going to show me and your audience You know, everything that you've learnt from your teachers about writing an information report. You should really be showing your learning here, okay? Because you have a group, we're going to have, you know, extra high expectations. So once you've done your general statement, you should then be ready to create extra pages. And each page of your website is going to be showing each paragraph of your information report. So we're going to click on pages on the right hand side of the screen here. In order to do that, I have to move my face so that you can see this plus symbol. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to click on new page. Now it's going to ask you for a title for your new page. So I'm going to think about, if I'm writing an information report about koalas, I'm probably going to have to write about their appearance, you know, what they look like. Click done, and there you go. You have a new page to play with and add your paragraph on their appearance. I will have another paragraph written about the feeding, the diet, and probably another one about their habitat. Another one might be my conclusion, or maybe I'll call it a call to action, how people reading my information report can help. And my last page can be my bibliography. So they can see, the people who come to my website, our website can see where I got my information report. Okay? So you can see here bibliography looks a bit funny. I'm not going to cry about it. I'm going to be proactive. And I'm going to click on the box. And I'm going to drag here. Be patient. Until it fits right. Got it. Okay. Alright, so there you go. You can always go back to insert, and that's where you can add the text boxes, images, links and things like that. Sorry, that's Luna squeaking her raccoon again. This is a cool button. It says preview, so you can click on preview. You can actually have a look at what your website looks like, which is pretty cool. So click on that little cross and you can exit the preview, go back to your working pages. So once your group is ready and you're happy with your whole website, you can click on publish. Okay? Click publish, and this is where you're going to have to be creative and come up with a web address title that people haven't written before. So let's have a look and see if Cool Koalas is taken. So click publish. And it says your website has been published successfully. Click view. And there it is. I know it's a work in progress, but I wanted to show you what it looks like from start to finish. I can't wait to see your website, so get working and let your teacher know if you have any questions. Bye!